I'm over here at Academy, man. I'm trying to decide which one of these BB guns that I might get. I might not get nothing today, but I'm most definitely going to. I'm most definitely CO2s down there. I'm thinking about. I'm gonna show you the one that I want to get. I want to buy this right now. I ain't gonna even lie to you. I want to do some videos of me shooting these 1,400 rounds per minute into like a watermelon or something. I just want to do some videos with that, so I'm not 100% sure. Look at the velocity on this. Man, 1,300 feet per second. Man, that's like super powerful. Then it comes with a scope, 10 shot, break barrel rifle. Man, we're gonna have to